Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Hati R with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful knife, guys. It's not cheap. It's gonna be around $900 US. It's made in Russia. It's a beautiful frame lock. Overall length is gonna be 8.75 inches. This scale right over here is made out of Alutex, and we're gonna talk more in depth in the full-length review. But it has like a beautiful milling pattern going on, like radially shaped in this way, just beautiful. You know, the blade is a drop point 3.75 inch long blade, M390 steel with this like ridiculously good stone wash. It looks like vapor blast, not even stone wash. It's almost like a full flat grind. The sound this guy makes, it's just this, just classic Shirogorov awesomeness right over here. The weight overall is an astounding 4.1 ounces. The clip is 3D milled titanium and also stone washed. The grip is fantastic. It's very, very solid, smooth and comfortable in the hand. Zero hot spots, just a little bit of, you know, jimping going on right over here. Extremely smooth action, guys. This is fast, and this is, look at this, smooth. This is incredible. It's like it's beautiful. It's fantastic. It's not like that drop shot guillotine crazy effect, like very, very, look at this. It's phenomenal. I mean, this thing is addictive. It's running on multi-row bearings, and detent is just great. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.